10 dog breeds that shouldn't be pets. Many people love the companionship of dogs, but not all dogs are the right match for everyone. Some dogs have strong guarding instincts or very high energy levels or need intense training to get on with strangers, which makes them challenging for most inexperienced owners. Nothing about these breeds makes them bad per se, but these particular breeds come with some requirements that can be difficult to fulfill. So here are the 10 breeds you might want to avoid if you are a typical pet owner. Wolf Hybrid. The wild spirit. Wolf hybrids are wolf dogs, which are part domestic dogs, but also part wild wolves, are unpredictable as pets. They possess a high prey drive and independent nature and require a pack-like environment, all of which make it hard for them to train and socialize. Many areas also have laws forbidding wolf hybrids due to safety concerns. Chow Chow, the aloof guardian. Their adorable, fluffy coats and unique appearance are definitely complemented by an independent spirit. They need an owner with a lot of experience who can establish leadership. They can be aggressive if not appropriately trained and socialized, which is why they are not the best breed for a beginner dog owner. Dalmatian, the high-energy icon. They were made famous by movies, but their energy and intelligence can make them challenging pets. They require extensive exercise and mental stimulation since they tend to engage in destructive activities. Also, they tend to be deaf, which can be more of a challenge. Akita, the stubborn protector. Akita dogs are powerful and noble animals that have a very strong instinct to be guard dogs. They are loyal but can be stubborn and hard to train. Without early socialization, they can also become territorial and aggressive toward strangers or other animals, making them a poor choice for inexperienced owners. Alaskan Malamute. The working dog. Alaskan Malamutes were bred for endurance and thrive in cold climates. These dogs are also very large and muscular, so they need a lot of exercise and mental stimulation. As a result of their strong prey drive and independent nature, they are difficult to train. Left to their own devices, they can be destructive. Rottweiler, the devoted yet strong companion. Known as strong and protective dogs, Rottweilers need firm guidance and consistent training. Although a loving family pet, their natural guarding instincts can develop into aggression without proper management. They require an experienced owner to ensure they are well socialized and obedient. Caucasian Shepherd Dog, the powerful guardian. Caucasian Shepherds were bred to guard livestock and are instinctively suspicious of and protective against strangers. Without proper training, they can become difficult to control. They require an owner who will command them with strength and provide a structured environment. Presa Canario, the brave protector. Presa Canarios are strong dogs that possess a natural guarding instinct. Without proper early socialization and training, they can become aggressive and hard to manage. Their intense loyalty and dominant nature mean they need an experienced handler who can show leadership and authority. Phyla Brasileiro, the protective but territorial canine. The Phyla Brasileiro, or Brazilian Mastiff, is fiercely loyal to its family, but this loyalty frequently causes aggression toward outsiders. They need solid training and socialization from an early age and are best suited for homes with experienced owners and ample space. Saint Bernard, the gentle giant with big deeds. Saint Bernards are friendly and gentle, but need a lot of space because of their large size. They are susceptible to various health issues, such as hip dysplasia, which can incur expensive treatment costs. Their size and care requirements make them a difficult option for many households. Educating yourself about breed-specific characteristics. While these breeds can be excellent companions for the right owner, they might require lots of time, training, and resources. Before you bring home a dog, it's essential to do some research on its temperament, energy levels, and potential health issues. Finding the right fit. Having a dog is a long-term commitment that needs patience and dedication. However, anyone considering adopting one of these pets should carefully consider their lifestyle and experience level before selecting a breed. Adopting a dog that fits your circumstances will set you both up for a happy and fulfilling relationship. Thanks for watching.